What's going on with Real? It's Trey.
And it's Tasha.
Man, to the real, where we always keep it real. Chainsaw Man, Season 1, Episode 9.
From Kyoto. So, y'all know full reaction on Patreon. We're going to get into this and see what's going on this week. The ghost still got a hand left. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Okay, so is there a version of this dude in the My Hero universe?
Oh, shit!
I need somebody to tell me that. Damn. What you gonna do, Ike? Who? Get his ass, Dingy. Didn't they say don't damage the heart? Why would he say that? Somebody's jealous.
Shit.
She literally said don't damage the heart and then use like aim for the heart. I would have ate him anyway.
Sit your ass down.
Bruh.
So guns can take you out.
No, like you remember they looking for the gun demon.
Oh.
I wonder if you're human and you eat some of the gun demon, do you do like him and transform like that? Cause he looked like he was a person. I mean, they are people, so with bullets, I mean, yeah, you gonna fuck them up every time. I think she gonna get the fuck up though, and then I don't think Aki dead either. I knew it. I knew she too. She built different. Ain't no fucking way she was finna go out like that. You ain't over them type of people if you ain't got some way to keep them in line. Ain't nobody gonna tell me that. She probably fucked their ass up and they ain't gonna even show our ass to this shit like later on in the show. She fucked their ass up.
Bitch, you lying.
Wasn't shot my.
Oh, you bitch.
I told you she ignorant. Ain't no way you gonna have no leash on them people if you ain't got no way to like rein that shit in. And she just out here on the streets with the blood on her, not giving a fuck. Ooh. What's she finna do? She finna sacrifice some folks? She said she need 30 criminals with the highest, like, you know what I'm saying, or on death row, basically. And then she finna reserve a temple. Like, come on, bro. What she have to do? Oh. That's a bad omen, right? He feels some kind of way, so some... Or is that somebody else? Oh, what the fuck? Who did that? Bro, she using them people to kill from a distance. She said, I'll do what I can from here. I told you she cold as fuck.
You got
them crows. See?
Bitch, who is this bitch? Old?
Nah, but like she probably sacrificing them people to like get rid of some other folks. And she called for 30 of them motherfuckers. And she got them blindfolded so they can't see. Bruh. He next. They can feel it. They can feel it.
That's his name.
Yes, that's why she using them. But she ain't saying it. You get that right. She got somebody else doing it. One soul in exchange for another.
That's why she got death row inmates. You know what I'm saying? You got a life sentence, whatever.
That's still wild as fuck. Don't give a fuck. Ooh, bitch, imagine being outside and seeing that shit happen to somebody. I'm out of there, bitch. It's the apocalypse. Lord. Motherfuckers on their knees repenting immediately. You see some shit like that.
I'm like, they got on black, so.
Well, she had them in white probably because they're at the temple. They dead. They not. Like, their last rites. See, I knew she was ignorant. She said, I'll do what I can from here. I thought she asked for 30 people, though. They just showed an example of 10. What? Oh, not this girl. So the boy died and she didn't. Oh, I'm ready to see her devil because she said it was a secret. Oh, he dead. He took the bullets for her. Oh, she finna murder. She finna murder these motherfuckers. Get they ass. She ain't crying or running.
Oh, shit!
Come on, make up for the other day. Come on, girl. Get they motherfucking ass. Ooh, okay, girl. Ooh, she cold with it. I wonder if they bullets are like they regular gun bullets or something different since they work with the gun devil. Damn, I wanted to see her devil. This her by herself doing shit. She ignorant as hell, bro. You see how she was breaking down in that hotel the other day to this? Like, what the fuck?
Completely
that she
character.
Fucking crazy. That's crazy for you to flip that shit on and off like that. She a loose cannon. The women in this show are fucking ignorant. Like, what? Their power just fucking disappeared. I'm sick. Baby, we over that shit. You got me today, I'm good. Bygones. I told y'all she
that
fucking
bitch.
I told
crazy.
Y'all.
Apologizing for attempted murder.
And that was just her being ignorant on her own, y'all. She didn't even use her damn devil. Welp. Gone to glory.
Oh, we out here nasty now. This kind of anime get your nipples hard in this bitch. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Let me cover up.
This shit right here is wild. I wonder if they doing 12 episodes.
Nah, I need 24 of this shit. Stop playing with it.
All he do is he need to eat to regenerate, right?
It's about 12, 13 at the most.
He putting a bigger target on his back, whoever that is.
Yeah, I figured that. Oh, got his ass.
Should have asked that before you resign. My whole thing is she's dangerous because how the fuck did you know the names of the people that was involved in this shit? That means either you got a contract with a devil that can see the shit and give it to her and she can sacrifice people, or she knew it was coming and didn't give a fuck about lives lost. Either way, she's fucking dangerous. I don't like that dingy like her, bro. She dangerous. That shit's crazy. And that's probably only a piece of what she could do. Just think about whatever devil she got a contract with, though. You got 2-for-1 souls, bro. She had to sacrifice somebody to take out somebody else, and the devil probably getting both souls in the process. That's some ignorant ass shit. You might have sacrificed 30, but they got 60. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, that shit crazy. And she ain't blink. She over here smiling, not giving a fuck.
No hesitation.
She dangerous, y'all. I'm telling you, if you on YouTube, because I already talked to the patient. She dangerous, bruh. Y'all gotta look past what she look like and what she doing. She's dangerous. Like,
we saw it in the eyes, you know what I'm saying? We saw it in the eyes.
I been knew she was ignorant, but looking at this episode, she's dangerous. She's fucking dangerous. Cause like I said, how do you get the names of the people that were involved in the situation? One, you either knew and didn't give a fuck who was gone. Cause that's some shit like only the strongest will survive type shit. Like that shit just weeded out all the weak people or something. Mm-hmm. Or whatever devil she got a contract with gave her the information she needed in exchange for them souls. Either way, she fucking dangerous. And did that shit with a smile. Like, I'm just like, because I mean, they had the crows or whatever. You know what I'm saying? So the crows could have been like, oh, this who did whatever. And she could have got information that way through whatever contract she had. Or she knew an attack was coming and just let it play out to get rid of certain people. So it's like at the end of the day, you still dangerous as fuck.
Survival of the fittest.
She dangerous.
Y'all survive this, y'all gonna come work under me.
If you ever work under somebody that don't give a fuck about your well-being, get out. Like, that shit is fucking dangerous.
That's why old boy quit. He was like, nah.
He should have asked this question before he left, though, but I know why they did that.
Mm-hmm.
That's why anime superior
to cartoons.
Child.
That's why I sit and look. Man, this show is this show, it's anime style. It's an anime. No, it's not. This is anime.
Okay.
Except no substitutions. None. Sorry.
Child, we gonna get out of here. Y'all know we gonna bring out more Chainsaw Man because this shit is wild. Mm-hmm. Man, how many months I got up there? I need to get some more. I don't even think I got Chainsaw Man up there. I don't. I'm slacking.
Nah, I ain't got no money in a while either.
I'm gonna have to get some because this shit right here is superior. But we gonna get out of here.
What is it? Oh, To Your Eternity. Oh, what the fuck?
Yeah. I got a lot of stuff we ain't watch yet.
Spy Family over there.
Yeah, you bought me that.
Man, I bought you so many. I don't know what the fuck I bought you.
Well, you bought me Spy Family, I think, for my birthday this year. It was birthday, Mother's Day, one of them days up in there.
Oh, yeah, you mean the trifecta?
Yeah.
Fucking crazy. Y'all know how it go.
No, they don't. What you mean they know how it go? It's my birthday, then it's our anniversary, then it's Mother's Day. And I deserve every gift coming to me. But everybody ain't on my level, so. But we gonna get out of here. So we can bring y'all my hero. Because between these animes, wow, dude. I can see a lot of these going off before next year. Oh, we got a trailer to do today. We got an announcement trailer to do today.
Okay, I guess we're going to do this. Okay. Thank y'all for the support. For reactions on Patreon.
Of course.
It's Trey.
And it's Sasha.
Real.
You already watched, so you might as well subscribe. Please.